everyone, we're here to talk about Eureka, Grade 5, Module 4, Lesson 4, or specifically about thinking of fractions as division. So we're going to use two scenarios to help us think about this. The first one is if one cake is shared between 5 people equally, how much will each person get? So we have one cake, so I know my total, and I'm sharing it equally, which means I'm going to be dividing into 5 people because yes, I know my total, and yes, it said I had equal parts. So here's my cake, and I would want to split it into 5 equal sections. One person would get one of these sections, or they would get 1/5 of that cake. So we can see how we can think of fractions as division because my total represents my numerator, and my denominator represents my divisor. Let's look at this one. If I have 8 divided by 5, I'm going to think, based on our previous work, that my solution or my quotient would be 8/5, which I know is also the same as 1 3/5, because I can break down that 8/5 into 5/5 or 1 whole and 3/5. So let's see if that's right. If I were to split 8 cakes between 5 people, that means that each of them would get 1 3/5. Let's see if we're correct. So we're going to go ahead and give person 1 this cake, person 2 this cake. You know what? Let's do letters instead to make it a little bit easier and not get confused. All right, person A, person B, person C, person D, and person E. Okay, there's my 5 people. They've each gotten 1. Now I only have 3 left, so I am going to have to go ahead and split these into fifths to make this work. Okay, so this one's into fifths. This one's into fifths. We are going to say that all of these wholes are even or the same, although my drawing skills aren't perfect. All right, let's see. So that would mean person A would get these 3/5. Okay, person B would get 1, 2, 3/5. Person C would get 1, 2, 3/5. Person D would get 1, 2, 3/5. Person E would get 1, 2, 3/5. Good. So every single person would get 1 3/5. So we can see that we can think of our fractions as our division problems in this way. All right, friends, I hope that this was helpful. And as always, please let me know if there's anything I can do to help. Thanks so much.